these are caterpillars that most people already know. Some people don't think they're very good, but I think they are. And I want to tell you something like that. Anyway, a proleg, they've got prolegs. Prolegs are sticky legs that can stick to lots of stuff. Okay, so can recording back. So if you want, I just have to tell you, never ever make a caterpillar of your own pet. Never ever do that. But we're just looking after these caterpillars because they're things that we actually found to look after. And that's all for now.